مرحبا بكم في قناة الدكتور صدام المجهلي. اليوم عندنا حالة مميزة جدا، تعالوا نشاهد مع بعض. I think what I need to fix the fractured bone. You can see now what we need to do. Okay, then, ready? Then open this. Yeah. Ask this guy to come to touch. You want to do so?
Sebenarnya saya message saya.
Where's the guy who didn't say? Okay, and then it's like this, giving the iodine. You have those? Oh. So here is, they call completely fractured. The leg already fractured all total a few days ago. So now we need to splan it and fix this one. They tried to fix because the doctor was busy. Just today he come. So what we do? We bought iodine to kill all bacteria here.
Ya ilaha illallah yang budak-budak itu.
Lah, give me the goose first. Okay, that's the step. We cover the leg by normal goose. Then I need your help to cut this. Oh. You can cut this side if you want. First you clean. You put iodine, you put normal goose.
Alright.
Okay. Second, you put cotton. Cotton. You know. Come, take it. Come on.
Kita orang beli set dia Kita beli set dia ajak.
There you cut one. So this one I would cut because I want the blood is come. If I tie it direct, you will block the vessels. Then will be swelling here. This area will die. So now the fracture is here. This area they call radius and ulna. This is complete fracture. So after I put the cord, I make sure it's straight. Okay. I try to pull a little bit, make straight. Okay. After that, I put the splanets. Splanets have two sides. Okay. This side and this side. See, this one have curve. The curve is become bow down.
Alright.
Okay. The other one is atas. So from the back, I put it in the back. Okay. After that, that's it. Use your hand too.
นใต้นะ
I will adjust. Yes, tight. Not much. Yes. Good. Right. I need to split this foot. Go ahead. Cover all foot. Not bawa, bawa. Move. Yeah. Okay, then move it. Okay. No. Back. Good. So, when I fix, I don't come under the bone, this bone with me. I should fix all. Atas, from atas to the end. If you leave, if you leave the leg go like this one move, she will not be healing.
So, keep the leg straight.
Yes, straight for a while. Is it right? Atas? Is that atas? Then if you tie the leg, how will the because happen?
So, the circulation is normal.
Yes. Let me fix. Hands up. Okay, can you stand up? This one will fix fast. If you like this, you will not fix. 20 days, we can see. Another thing, if you have pain, stop eating, stop drinking, I need to check. We open, we do it again. But I think it's okay, you need it very nice. Good. Masuk.
Tak pasal-pasal kita punya apa ni,
Oh, touch.
apa kita buatkan kan
Don't leave him. No leave. No leave. Oh. Good.